Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how you can monitor your sales if you are using BuyGood's affiliate marketing platform with ClickMagick. So first, in ClickMagick, make sure that you click campaign, and here in tools, just go here. You will see here affiliate tools. Click affiliate link builder. So here, make sure that you select your affiliate network, which is BuyGoods, okay? And this one, the tracking type, make sure it's in the campaign. And this is where you will paste your affiliate link. So the affiliate link here, you can find it in BuyGoods. So let's say you already choose your product. So in your dashboard overview, you can see the product that you want to promote here. So what you want is just click the product that you want. This is where you will see your affiliate link. So you can choose VSL or text sales letter, okay? So just copy your affiliate link here. Right click, copy, and go back to ClickMagick. So this is where you will paste your affiliate link. Just paste here. And once you paste it, just click update my affiliate link. Next is you will just copy this URL. So this is the URL that you will put in your landing page call to action to direct your users to your affiliate product that you want to promote. Next, you need to connect your tracking software, which is ClickMagick. This is the one that we are using, and BuyGoods. So here, you will just go to your profile and then just click this drop-down menu and click postback URL. Then go to postback pixels and click add new. Just go here in clickmagick.com /kb / answer equals 95 and tab equals BuyGoods. You will see here there's a step here in step number 3. All you need to do is copy the custom postback URL below and paste it to the URL section. So you just need to copy this one. So copy and go back to your postback URL. So this is the one that you will paste it here. So you will see here, you just need to follow the instructions. So you will see the URL here, and we'll just go back here and paste it here. Once you paste, make sure that this offer is all, status is active, event is purchased. And all you need to do is just click save. Now here, how you can track your BuyGoods checkout hits. So you can track checkout hits as engagements in ClickMagick. So you'll need to add a pixel for each product you're promoting in BuyGoods. So step 1 is add your engagement pixels to BuyGoods. So you can just select the product that you want to track here and then go here, settings, click funnel pixels. Step number 3, copy the custom engagement pixels below and paste it into the checkout box. So you just need to copy this one, copy, and go back to BuyGoods to the product that you want to promote. So under funnel pixels, just paste the link here inside the checkout box. So just paste it here, and then all you need is just click save. So that's it. And once you have done that, then this is how you can monitor your sales with ClickMagick.